Cześć! Welcome to my channel. We have a beautiful sunny day here in the south of Poland, and I would like to share with you the wonderful plants that you should absolutely have in your garden. I will start with lupine. Lupine is self-seeding and really easy to grow. You can buy it in multiple colors, but my favorites are shades of purple. Long Papilionaceous flowers look very interesting. Lupine is the most decorative in mid-spring, but the leaves looks beautiful after the flowers are gone. If you're planning English style border like this one, it's important to set together different types of leaves. For example, spire leaves of irises beautifully contrast with pinal leaves of peonies. This way the garden always provides more interest. The second plant that you should absolutely have in your garden is iris. Iris is one of the most beautiful flowers and one of my personal favorites. There are so many varieties, but the one I grow in my garden are the bearded irises. I love the velvety petals and fluffy beards. This amazing gradient of colors inspired me to create the iris collection that you can check out at annavictoriahome.com. Irises bloomed at the end of May with their deep purple tones. I will definitely plant other varieties that I saw in the botanical garden. After 2 weeks, my garden looks completely different. As you can see, we have had a rapid change of weather over the last 2 days, with some heavy rains, but the garden desperately needed this. Another wonderful plant that I want to share with you is catmint. Catmint is a great companion plant that looks beautiful with everything and fill the garden with its fine purple flowers. I encourage you to try growing catmint from seeds, like I did with this commonly known grandma's catmint. It blooms much earlier than the varietal catmints, and if you plant them together, you get a longer display. Other than that, catmint is pretty easy to grow from cuttings. Just cut the stem without the flowers. Remove the excess leaves and put it into the soil. Leave it in a shady place and water regularly. You can use root powder. All of my catmints came from one plant. This is the variety Walker's Law and blooms all summer long. Of course, I couldn't forget about the peonies. Those big full blossoms make an amazing statement. These are the flowers I have chosen for my wedding bouquet. I planted peonies mainly to be used in my floral arrangements. These flowers are so gracious and they smell amazing. Peonies feel great on heavy clay soil, and I have one just like that in my garden, and they like to be watered regularly. I have one variety here that is open, and I think it looks really pretty too, and it's great for the pollinators. If you are planting peonies, you have to remember this one rule: don't plant them too deep. If you do so, they will definitely not bloom the following year. Those peonies have 3 years, and I was waiting for about 2 years for them to bloom. And try not to overfeed them, because they tend to be too high and fall down easily, especially after rain. Maybe you remember this other plant that I want to share with you. It's Alchemilla mollis. Just look at these energizing lime green flowers. They look beautiful with purples, pinks, and even reds, like this rose. This is a great plant for bouquets, and the leaves are really pretty too. After a rain, you can see little droplets that reflect light beautifully. Alchemilla mollis is very easy to grow. It's a perennial and you can propagate it by dividing or taking cuttings, just like with the catmint. With Alchemilla mollis, I planted geranium. It's geranium phaeum, and as you can see, it is covered by these beautiful pink flowers. Bees especially love it and are a constant visitor. I think setting, for example, geraniums and catmints bring interest to the flower bed. Setting different leaves and blossoms give your garden depth and dimension. Just like with the Alchemilla mollis, geraniums are easy to grow and propagate. I will share with you one annual plant that you can grow from seeds. It's Nigella. Its delicate, beautiful flowers are very interesting, and thin, deal-like leaves add light and movement. I have sown the seeds only once, and since then they are constantly self-seeding in various places in my garden. The flowers are so adorable that I decided to paint them and create Nigella collection. For the end, I give you the absolute gem, a plant that is loved by many, the rose. There are endless varieties of roses, for example this one called Angela. It's a shrub, and don't get fooled by its looks. It's quite tough. It can even survive minus 25 degrees Celsius weather. And after a long, snowy and cold winter here in the south of Poland, it is looking more beautiful than ever. I must admit, I don't do much with my roses, but if you want to prolong the bloom, you should cut your roses after they are faded. Not just the heads, but a bit lower, maybe about 10 to 20 centimeters. If you have rose with long branches like this one, you can use this trick. Simply wrap the branches around the support, for example, pergola or obelisk. I have a wooden obelisk here. And this way the new shoots start to appear and you have much more flowers. You can do this in the fall to avoid branches being tossed by the wind in the winter, or in the spring like I did. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you all the best, the beautiful weather and plenty of flowers that give you joy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you very soon. Bye!